Today we are going to talk about your digestive system. So, your digestive system is something that is pretty extraordinary because there's so much to it. There's so many parts with it. So let's start looking at our digestive system. What major tasks does your digestive system help you accomplish? So when you're digesting, that means that you're eating. So the main thing it does is help you, you eat your food, you get your nutrients, and it removes that waste from your body. So we're, like I said, breaking down food into molecules that the body can absorb for energy. That's why your parents and your teachers, tell you to eat good food, because what you put into your body is very important. That's what's giving you energy. We want foods that give us, good nutrients and energy that we can use to help us get through the day. It passes these molecules into the blood to be carried throughout the body, and it eliminates waste from the body, your solid waste from the body. So let's see how well you know the parts of your digestive system. So as we start, when we eat, that begins in our mouth. And it's so extensive, all the parts that work together for the digestive system. So if we start here kind of at the top of your body, your esophagus, your throat, and really, of course, you're beginning in your mouth. Esophagus, we've got our stomach, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, appendix, and rectum. Lots of parts of the digestive system. So now let's see that journey that our food is taking. Okay, it begins with your mouth, with your teeth and your tongue. That's mechanical digestion. And your salivary glands, chemical digestion. The kind of water saliva in your mouth is helping to digest that food. Salivary glands produce enzymes that are mixed with the food that help break it down, and peristalsis is the muscular action that moves food through the esophagus into your stomach after you swallow. Definitely helps if we chew our food really well when we're trying to help it get digested. Okay, food moves into your stomach, which contains chemicals that break down the food. So there's chemicals inside your stomach that are helping to break that food down. Your stomach gradually releases these materials into small intestine where digestion is completed. Your stomach has a thick coating of mucus to protect it from the acids and to keep it from digesting itself. Pretty crazy. You might remember when we were looking at the video and we saw the inside of the cow's stomach, how it had that kind of carpety looking layer to kind of help it break down its food. It's pretty amazing. By the way, your stomach really does look like a muscular bag. Look at that. It's crazy. Your liver, pancreas, and gallbladder are all parts of your digestive system. Your liver is the largest and heaviest organ of your body. It breaks down many substances and toxins and produces bile. Bile flows from the liver into the gallbladder where it is stored until needed. And it kind of helps get that fat and things from the food you're eating. Your gallbladder does. You may have heard of somebody having their gallbladder removed. You don't have to have your gallbladder. It's just another part of your body that helps digest food, kind of that greasy food that we eat. The pancreas produces more enzymes that flow into the small intestines, helping to break up food particles. Your small and large intestine. So after solid food has been digested, the fluid remaining is called chyme. When it is thoroughly digested, it passes through an opening into the small intestine. In the small intestines, all the nutrients are absorbed, leaving the undigestible waste. These wastes pass into the large, where water is removed, and then they are stored in the rectum until they are released. So till you go to the bathroom. Okay, this villi in the center, and we have this is just showing part of your intestines. So the villi adds surface area to increase absorption of food and nutrients. So how we absorb them, how they get into your body, into your bloodstream. So again, the digestive system is used to convert food particles into simpler molecules that can be absorbed into the bloodstream and are used by the body for energy. The major organs. So this is something we're going to be adding to our journals with our notes on digestive system. The major organs are your mouth, which we know we use to chew and grind up food, and saliva, which helps the chemical breakdown. Another major part is your esophagus, that pipe connecting your mouth to your stomach that we see right here, and your stomach that has an extraordinarily strong acid that leads to the breakdown of food. So those are those major. We saw there's a lot of parts. Those are our major parts. Continuing, your pancreas produces those enzymes. The liver produces bile, which breaks down the fat. Gallbladder stores bile for future use. And the small intestine is where nutrients are absorbed. And they use villi to do that. And the large intestine gets rid of that water and gets that waste ready to come on out. So here's a picture, and we can see the digestive system again right here. Lots and lots and lots of parts. And that is the digestive system.